Hey loves, in today's video I will be giving you a tour of my sweet themed vanity setup, which features several DIYs that I'm really excited to show you, and I'm also going to be giving you an overview of some of the sweet themed items that I have in my makeup collection. Starting on the left side of my vanity, the first thing I have is this DIY candy themed tray, and I do have a video on how I did this along with a few other pieces that will be available in the description. And in this tray I have my candy and sweet themed glosses and balms. To the right of that I have this ice cream bubble container, and I have a cute little swirly lollipop. Down here in this first tray, I have my collection of the Magic Collection Glitz and Glam glitter palettes. They're so pretty. And below that, I have 3 of my ColourPop 9-pan palettes. Okay. So I have the It's My Pleasure, Main Squeeze, and Ooh La La. Definitely my favorite. Put that back. This out the way. Down here I have some single shadows, some loose eye pigments, and lashes. The Miss brand is my favorite. And in this last drawer, I have some face products. I have my Flower Highlighting Trio. I have a blush and highlighting palette. And then I also have these J-Cat cream blushes. To the right of that, I have my DIY 3-drawer tower that I created. While this DIY isn't featured in that video, I did use a lot of the same products. And on top of that, I have this cute little ice cream house that I purchased from Dollar General. I think it was like $3. And it's so cute. And I love the waffle cone and the little cherry on top. Alright, going down to this first drawer. In here, I have some LA Colors body glitters. Underneath that, I have 2 of my Wet n Wild baked blushes. And I had so much fun putting this DIY together. It came out so cute. And in this last drawer, I have 4 LA Colors iced pigment powders. In the center of my vanity, I have the iHome Vanity speaker with Bluetooth. And down here, I just have some cute, sweet themed items. I found this really cool Hot Wheels saltwater taffy truck at Walmart. Then I have some little candies down here. Really cute. This came in a set on Amazon. In front of my mirror, I have my DIY Conversation Heart holder, and on the left I have a variety of different eyeliner pencils, a bunch of different colors. In the center I have these adorable candy themed makeup brushes. I featured these in my sweet themed makeup haul. That will be in the pinned comment down below. They are so cute. And on the right, I have some eyeshadow pencils and bases. To the left of that, I have the Glamlight Glam Donut Eyeshadow Palette. This packaging is so cute. I love the rhinestone sprinkles. I'm going to open it up and show it to you. This is what the inside looks like. Really pretty. And over to the right, I have the Glamlight Chocolate Donut Eyeshadow Palette. And it has all of these colorful sprinkles. These palettes are so gorgeous. this is what the inside of this one looks like. So pretty. I cannot wait to use these. On the right, I have another DIY 3-drawer tower that I made, and this one is Neapolitan ice cream themed. So I did a light tan for the cone, then you have vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. I thought that was so cute. And this is actually inspired by these 3 bubble containers. These came in a set from Dollar Tree, and so did the big strawberry one that I have on the left. And I just thought this was so cute. And I love the sprinkles. Alright, in this first drawer, I just have some beauty tools. So I have some daisy hair clips, tweezers, pink sharpener. Gotta be careful because I don't want to knock my ice cream over. Then down here I have 4 of the, oh, let me just step them out. I have 4 of the AOA Studio Hush Cream Blushes. These are so good. They are very pigmented and they have a long-lasting formula. And they're only $1 each. So I love them. This back. Alright. And in this last drawer, I just have 2 fruit lip balms. These are also from the Dollar Tree. They smell so yummy. And moving on to my next set of acrylic makeup drawers, on top I have another DIY that I did, and it says "Make Life Sweet." I kind of messed up the letters when I was applying the glitter, but I put these cute little gummy bears on there. And in here I just have some different lashes. I don't know, but it sounds like I'm not saying that word right. These are so cute. I have yet to use these. I'll have to use them in an upcoming look. Backpack. Okay, and right next to that, I have this chocolate Easter bunny. It's a container, so you can put stuff in it. It was only $1. And in this first drawer, I have my different color eyeshadow bases. So I have some from Beauty Creations, and then these 2 are from Amazon. Below that is all about eyes as well. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. And then I have some LA Girl pencil liners and some Ruby Kisses liquid liners. And then below that, I have a Milani eyeshadow palette. I love these colors. Hard Candy glitter palette and a few of my ColourPop hot liners. And in this last drawer, I have more face products. So I have 4 highlighters. I really love this one. It's my favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Platinum Bar in Winter Bloom. It is so pretty. And then I have an LA Girl blush, and then a Kat Von D translucent powder. And above my vanity, I have this DIY candy heart banner that was featured in that DIY video. And it says, "Be sweet." And I really like the sprinkles. This heart right here in the middle is my favorite. And this is what the rest of it looks like. It is so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Tell me what you think of my sweet themed vanity down below. Make sure to check out the description and the pinned comment for related videos, and until next time, bye loves!